Very good morning to all of you once again. Today we will going to see problem number 16 and 17. Problem number 16 will be done here and problem number 17 will be given as a homework. Whereas problem number 16 and 17 are almost same. Both are university problem which was there in the university examination. Let's see illustration number 16. Following is the balance sheet of Dhoni Limited as on 31st March 2021. On the liability side, we have 2008% redeemable preference shares of rupees 100 each, total 2 lakh rupees. 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each, fully paid up 10 lakh rupees. Security premium 3 lakh 35,000. Profit and loss account 3 lakh rupees. Sundry creditors 2 lakh 58,000. Whereas on the asset side, we have sundry assets of 15 lakh 75,000. Bank balance of 2 lakh 18,000 and investment of rupees 3 lakh and market value is 3 lakh 50,000. On the above date, director of the company took the following steps. Redeem 8% preference shares at a premium of 7.5%. Okay, so this share we are going to redeem at 7.5% premium. The company issued 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 4 rupee per share. 4 rupee per share. So that means we are issuing our 10,000 equity shares at rupees 14, whereas 10 rupees is a face value and 4 rupees is a premium value for the purpose of redemption of preference shares. Investment were sold at a market value. So market value is 3,50,000. So we are making a profit of 50,000 rupees. All payment were made to the preference share holders except those holding 160 shares who could not be traced. You are required to pass journal entries in the books of Dhoni Limited. So here it should be a Dhoni Limited after completing with the requirement of redemption of preference share. This problem was there in the university examination of 2014 April and October 2018 for 20 marks. Now let move to the working sheet. So here we have written journal entry in the books of Dhoni Limited. First of all, let's see how much number of equity, how much number of CRR we have to create, because we know the number of equity shares that we will going to issue in the market. Now let's see. Total amount required for redemption. How much we require? We require 2 lakh rupees. Now here we will not going to write the premium amount. We will going to write only the total capital which we require. And here we going to issue equity shares of rupees 10 each. Okay. How much number? 10,000. Okay. At a rate of rupees 10 each. So which gives me 1 lakh rupees. So balance how much I require? 1 lakh rupees, and this 1 lakh rupees will be taken out of a divisible profit and we will going to create CRR. Okay, and this is how we can able to make an arrangement of 2 lakh rupees. Now coming to the problem, first entry will be sale of investment. So entry goes like this way: bank account debited to investment account, to profit and loss account, to profit and loss account. Okay, here we will write being investment sold at profit. How much we got? 3,50,000. Okay, and 3 lakh belongs to the investment and 50,000 is our profit. Now entry number 2 will be issue of equity shares. We are issuing 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 4 per share. So entry will be bank account debited to equity share capital account to securities premium account. Okay, here I will write being 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each issued at rupees 4 per share. ठीक है, issued at premium of rupees 4 per share. Let's see the amount. From equity, we will going to get 1,40,000 we are getting as a premium, and total the amount we will receive is 1,40,000. My third number entry will be of transfer of a claim. So 8% redeemable preference share capital account debited premium on redemption of preference share capital account debited to 8% redeemable preference share holders account. Okay, being claim transferred at 7.5% premium. Now let's see the amount. Amount of redeemable preference share capital is 2 lakh rupees, and we have to pay 7.5% premium on that. That will comes to 15,000. Okay, so total we will going to pay 2,15,000 to equity, sorry, preference share holders. My fourth entry will be providing a premium. So we have profit and loss account with us. In that we have a 3 lakh rupees balance. 1 lakh we will give it to creation of CRR. So we have a sufficient balance, though we also made a profit of 50,000. So we have a sufficient balance. So we will write.
सर ये प्रीमियम किससे मल्टीप्लाई किया? 15,000 वाला
2 lakh rupees. 2 lakh multiply by 7.5%. Look at here. 2 lakh rupees multiply by 7.5%. It comes to 15 lakh rupees.
Okay, sir.
Profit and loss account debited. Now we are providing premium. So profit and loss account debited to premium on redemption of preference share capital account. Okay, here we will write being premium provided for redemption of preference shares. Okay, amount is 15,000. Okay, now next entry, here we will create a CRR, and for CRR also we will take from profit and loss account to capital redemption reserve account. Here we will write being CRR created for redemption of preference shares. Okay, so here amount will be 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees. And the last entry will be of claim settlement. So we have 8% redeemable preference share capital account. So shareholders account to bank account. Okay. How much? Let's see. They have told us we have paid entire amount except 160 preference shares. So here we will write being claim settled at 7.5% premium except 160 preference shares. Okay. So for 150 preference shares, we have to calculate how much we require. Okay. Let me retext it so that there will not be any issue. Okay. Look at it. Total claim was 2,15,000 and untraceable preference share is 160. So 160 multiplied by 107.5 because we are paying 7.5% premium. So on 100 rupees we are paying 7 rupees 50 paisa. So therefore 160 multiplied by 107.5. So we are getting 17,200. So total amount we are paying to preferential holders is 1,97,800. So here we have total 6 entries. First entry was sale of investment. Second was issue of equity shares. Third was transfer of claim. Fourth was providing a premium because we have transferred the claim at premium. Then creation of CRR and final settlement. Now we will going to see balance sheet. In balance sheet, we have two part of a balance sheet: equity and liability and assets. So in equity liabilities, first we have shareholders fund. In that we have share capital and reserves and surpluses. So first of all, we will going to make note number 1 related to share capital. We already have 1 lakh rupees equity shares of rupees 10 each. Sorry, 10 each. Okay. So 10 lakh rupees shares we have already have in our balance sheet. Okay. And 10,000 number of equity share we have issued for the purpose of redemption of preference shares of rupees 10 each. So that comes to 1 lakh rupees. So total we have 10 lakh plus 1 lakh, 11 lakh rupees. So here I have written 11 lakh rupees. The second working note is related to reserves and surpluses. Now let's see, in reserves and surpluses, we have only two things: security premium and profit and loss account. So first of all, we will write security premium. We have a balance of 3,35,000. 3,35,000. Okay, and we will add premium received at issue of equity shares. At the time of issue of equity shares, we got a premium of rupees 40,000. So total, we got how much premium? 3,35,000 plus 40,000. So it comes to 75,000. Then we have a profit and loss account. Here he was having balance of 3 lakh rupees as per the balance sheet. Okay. Then add during the process we got a profit on sale of investment. Okay. How much we got? 50,000. Okay. Then less we provided premium for redemption. How much? 15,000. And then we have transferred 1 lakh rupees from profit and loss account to CRR account. Transfer to CRR account. How much? 1 lakh rupees. So if we see, then 3 lakh rupees plus 50,000 minus 15,000 minus 1 lakh, it comes to 2 lakh 35,000. Along with that, we have also have with us capital redemption reserve account with us, which have 1 lakh rupees as a balance. So total we have 7 lakh 10,000. 7 lakh 10,000 rupees. Okay. So total we have 18 lakh 10,000 rupees. Non-current liability, we don't have anything. Let's see the balance sheet. In long-term liability, we don't have anything. Yes, we have only current liability. So come here, current liability will be sundry debtors will be called as trade payable. So how much trade payables we have? Let's see, 2,58,000, 2,58,000, and we also have a contingent liability with us, under which we have untraceable preference shares, which we could not able to trace, and their amount is lying with us. And how much the amount for that? Let's see. Here we have already calculated 17,200. So here we will going to write 17,200. So total current liability we have 2,75,200. So total of equity and liability side is 2,08,000, 8,520. Now coming to assets, under assets we have three items, but investment we have already sold, so we will not going to take this asset. Fixed asset or sundry asset we have 15,75,000. So here we will add 15,75,000. Investment we have already sold, so we are not writing anything. Now we have a cash and cash equivalent under current asset. So write down here opening bank balance. How much we have? Look at here, 2,18,000. Now we will going to add what we have received during the process. We have sold investment, so I will write sold investment. From there I got how much? 3,50,000, including my profits. Total cash received is 3,15,000. Also I will add issue of equity shares. Which has given me 1,40,000, including my security premium. So let's see total how much we have in bank. 2,18,000 plus 3,50,000 plus 1,40,000. So we have 7,08,000 with us. Less we paid to preference shareholders. Preference shareholders. Okay, how much we paid? 1,97,800. Let's verify the figure from here. 1,97,800. So we have written 1,97,800. So in bank we have balance of 5,10,200. Okay. So our asset side also get the same amount which we have already received on the liability side. Therefore, our balance sheet got tally. Let's have a look of entire balance sheet here. So I think there is no problem. Now let's move to another problem. Problem number 17, which you have to do as a homework. Let's see the problem number 17. Following is a balance sheet of Prabhakar Rao Limited as on 31st March 2021. On the liability side, we have 8% redeemable preference share capital fully paid up of rupees 10 is fully paid up. We have 13,50,000. Equity share capital of rupees 10 each fully paid up. There also we have 13,50,000. Security premium 40,500. Profit and loss account 13,50,000. Director's loan 50,000. Director loan is a long-term liability, so we will take that thing as a non-current liability. Okay. Then we have a sundry creditors. Acha, director loan can be taken as a current liability also or long-term liability also. So no information is given, so we will take it as a long-term. On the asset side, we have fixed asset, investment, bank balance, other current asset, miscellaneous expenditure. Miscellaneous expenditure is a fictitious asset. The company exercised the option to redeem preference share at 10% premium. So this preference share we are going to redeem at 10% premium. For this purpose, it issued 67,500 right shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 10 per share. So 10 per share is a premium amount, but basically we are getting 6,75,000 from issue of equity shares. The balance we will arrange from divisible profit by the way of creating CRR. The right shares were fully subscribed when cash was received. Investment was sold at rupees 5,13,000. So here we have sold investment and we are making profit here. All the payment were made except preference shares who holds 675 shares who are or who is not traceable. So what you have to do, you have to pass a journal entries in the books of company and prepare balance sheet immediately after the redemption is carried out. This problem was also there in the university examination of March 2012 for 20 marks. I hope the problem is very simple. Total there will be 6 entries and making of a balance sheet. It is just like a problem number 16. I hope you can able to do at your home. If you cannot, then you can ask me so that in the next lecture we can solve this problem. Is it okay with all of you?
Yes, sir. Sir, 13,50,000 redeem करना है ना?
Yes. At a premium
Okay.
of 10%.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I hope you can able to do it. So thank you very much. That much from my side.